got a poopy toilet.
Yes. So I wanted to get on here and just show you guys something that just comes with the territory of having a rental property. So I choose to be as low cost as possible. If there's anything that I can fix or replace, I do it myself. So my tenant called me. I don't know how, but toilet seat is cracked completely, okay? My property is an older property. It definitely does need some TLC and some improving here or there. So little by little, I'm definitely making those changes, but that's just regular maintenance. That's just something that happens. So I am here changing the toilet myself. Yes, I know I'm a girly girl, but I like to fix things myself. So I just took it off there, if you can see. So that's better. So I just took it off. I'm gonna clean this up really good before I put the new one on, which is right here. So I'll put the new one on in a second, and then we'll be all good. So I finally got it back on here. Now I just gotta tighten it up with this at the bottom, and we'll be good to go. I'm having the hardest time with this daggone thing, and I don't want to break my nails because I have a podcast coming up. I'm gonna be really upset if I break my nails. So I gotta get down on this floor. 1 second. Perfect. On to the next job. All right, I'm all done. It's a little hot. Been working. All done. I changed the toilet seat, unclogged the drain. I made sure that the filters have been changed on the HVAC. That's very, very important for the life of your HVAC. And now they fed me some grapes and some café con leche. And all done for the day.